In this video, I will show you how to perfectly parallel park your car. Here's what I generally do. Step 1. The car needs to have around 0.7 meters distance from the other parallel car. Step number 2. When the boot of the car is aligned with the parallel car, maximum steering, left or right. Step number 3. When the car makes a 45-degree angle with the road, the steering wheel needs to be straight. Step number 4. Slowly move the car and take a look at the bonnet. When you have enough space, maximum steering again. Just follow these steps and watch how I do it. It's not that difficult. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about this subject. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.